Hi, and welcome to our writing workshop on Show, Don't Tell. We use this strategy to help our writing come alive. We could tell by saying they were scared, or we could show it by writing things like they shivered and shook uncontrollably. All over their bodies, goosebumps appeared and their knees knocked together. Their eyes grew as round as saucers. Let's have a look at another scenario. She was really happy. We could tell that. Or we could show it by saying her hands shook with anticipation. Her face lit up with a broad smile. She squealed with excitement. When we show, we think about the 5 senses: feel, hear, taste, smell, see what the body is doing, the expression on a face. We think about emotions too. So it's your turn to practice now. For the next 2 scenes, I want you to write 3 to 6 sentences describing showing, not telling. At each scene, you're going to need to pause the video to write your sentences and then to continue to the next scene to do the same thing. Use your senses to show how they felt about eating the pizza. Pause the video and write. Here's your second scenario. Rather than telling it was a dark and stormy night, show it by writing. Pause the video, write your sentences, and continue when you're done. Show, don't tell brings our writing alive. It is more engaging to the reader. So, be a writing ninja and show, don't tell. Remember to post your follow-up onto Hero or onto Google Classroom.